Check out this 1978 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe pickup. If you watched any of our previous videos or follow our website, you know that we get some interesting vehicles in. There's no doubt about that. And more often than not, we get an interesting story along with those vehicles. This truck is one of those that has a rather interesting story that goes along with it. This particular truck was bought brand new for a local fire department here in a small town in our area. It then stayed with that fire department up until the last few years when a gentleman bought it, and he brought it to us this past week to represent for him and sell. Now where that gets interesting is this truck's odometer shows 3,222 miles right now as of doing this video, and everything that we can see points to those being the original miles from the story that he has told us, to it being in that fire department in that town. It always sat in the fire department's building, heated, climate controlled, and it really shows. Like you see the interior of this and some things we've checked out. The paint, I can't find a paint line on it. The bed, the inside of the bed was repainted, had been scratched up, dinged up. They did touch that up. Other than that, can't find any paint work on this. I've date coded the tires, and the date code ends in 8, which means they were produced the 8th year of a decade. So that would point to possibly being 78. So I popped off the hubcaps and took a picture of it. You can see it on our website, and I'll get to that in a minute too. It does not look like the lugs have ever been off this truck. So I believe this possibly has original tires on it too, which you'd think would be dry rotted and checked, except for you go back to the sitting inside, sitting in climate control, not being out in the sun. Tires could still be in pretty nice shape, as you can see on this paint, and it has been buffed, has been cleaned, detailed, what have you, but it is the original 70 paint code cardinal red. The interior is a red vinyl bench seat. All that is the same that this would have originally come with. Now, like I said, check out the still pictures. You'll see the picture of the lugs I was talking about. You can look at the underside of this, look at the interior, look under the engine. Now remember, the car is 40 years old plus, so you do have some surface rust. We have a few dings, dents when it was in service with the fire department, but overall just unbelievable truck. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or look down below this video in the description. Click on that link that's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Now this particular truck is powered by a 400 Chevy V8 underneath the hood. All accounts and purposes believed to be original. Turbo 400 underneath there. Also, as far as drivetrain, automatic transmission. Now you can see it's had a little dinger over here in the door along the way when it was in service with the fire department. Check out this interior again, and I'll show you up on the other side, and you'll see it in the still pictures. I mean, this interior looks like new, and it is original. Check out the dash. I mean, there's no cracks. Just unbelievable shape. You can see where they would have had a strobe or a light up there. It has been plugged from the outside. You can see a couple where the light would have been mounted. And again, I have not been able to find any paint work on this truck, except for inside this rear bed back here, which they just wanted to dress up and clean up since it had some nicks and dings and scratches. Like I said, this was used some by the fire department. It was in service for. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with getting this pickup to where you're located at. This rear bumper was added after it came out of the fire department service and has recently been painted. That is not original to the truck, FYI. You can see up and down this how it's nice and straight, with the exception of that one dinger on the other side. It is not full of rust. It has not been repaired. That's how you see the wheel wells, and it's front to back like that. And you can see that all in the still pictures also. Like I said, check those still pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click down below on the link that's in the description of this video. It's going to take you there. Again, our number 507-386-1726. Come along over here. You can see they must have went maybe in and out with hoses or something other back here where it's actually wore through the original paint. Appears to be primer underneath there. That's the only spot the paint's really worn through bad at. And something must have went in and out and over the back of that truck bed right there. Also may have had a siren or something up here mounted where you can see where there could have been some brackets or what have you, and a little nicked up paint right there. Let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. This is what just blows you away. Look at the original door cards, door panels. Lack of wear is another thing that just shows you that it points towards this being all original miles. There's no reason to believe that it isn't. Check out this flooring. This is original flooring in the truck. And again, check out the still pictures. You want to take closer looks at this. Let's look at the actual odometer right now. If you can see it, 3,222, if you make that out. That'll all be in the pictures. Just amazing interior. I like a time capsule. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Heater, fan, all works. Whoops, I don't know if you can see that. You check it out in the still picture. You want to check out that odometer. Great running truck. Obviously starts right up. I'm going to go ahead and walk up to the front here. We'll pop the hood so you check out the engine bay, and it's going to be what you'd expect out of a 78 K20 Chevrolet. Let's check it out. Alright, check this out. There's that 400, V8 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, of course. Look at how neat and tidy this is. And not full of grease, grime, dirt, debris. What you'd expect out of this kind of mileage truck. Smooth running engine. Take a look at that. I mean, look at the tags that are still on it. Unbelievable. There you have it, 1978 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe, low mile, basically two-owner vehicle. It was with the same fire department for years. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at.